In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stuck items dashboard in Monday.com. Open monday.com in your browser and sign into your account. As soon as you're in, head to the left sidebar and click the board you want to use for this dashboard. This is the board your dashboard will pull data from, so make sure you open the right one before moving on. Now go back to the left sidebar and look for the plus icon next to your workspace name. Click that, then choose New Dashboard from the menu. When the name field appears, type Blocked Items Tracker. Say it with me as you enter it so the timing feels natural on screen. Blocked, then Items, then Tracker. Keep the privacy set to Main so it stays visible to everyone in the account, then click Create Dashboard. Right away, you'll get a pop-up asking you to connect boards to this dashboard. In the search field, type Website Launch. Give that a second as the matching board appears in the list. Then click the checkbox next to Website Launch and click Done. You should now be looking at an empty dashboard with an Add Widget button near the top left. Click Add Widget, and from the widget list choose Chart. If Chart doesn't show up right away, click More Widgets and search for it there. Once the chart appears on the dashboard, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner of that widget and click Settings. In the Settings panel on the right, open the X-axis dropdown and select the Status column. Leave the Y-axis set to count items. Then close the Settings panel. At this point, the chart gives you a status breakdown so you can quickly see how many items are stuck, working on it, done, or not started. Next, click Add Widget again and choose Battery. In some accounts, this may be labeled Overview, so if you don't see battery immediately, click More Widgets and search for it. Once added, this widget gives you a clean progress snapshot using color to represent each status. It's a fast way to understand the overall state of the board without reading through every item. Now let's turn this into a true stuck items dashboard. Go to the toolbar at the top and click Filter, the funnel icon. The Quick Filters panel will open. Find the Status section, then click Stuck. As soon as you do that, the dashboard updates across all connected widgets, so the chart and battery reflect only blocked items. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. You now have a focused dashboard that makes stuck work instantly visible. It's especially useful for project reviews, team check-ins, and catching blockers before they slow down the entire workflow.